Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add my business tax info on Wix. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply get started with my link in the description down below. So now once you are on Wix guys, first thing that you will do is simply click on all sites over here. And now from here, just simply select your site. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side of the screen. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on tax. And after that, you should be able to see here the tax tab. So from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and click on add location over here to start. And from here, just simply select the country that you have. So let's say I'm going to go for United States and click on United States, and after that just simply select the state. So I will be selecting all and click on add, and from here you should be able to see all of the states that you just added. And as you can see, you'll only be collecting tax for location that appear in the list. So guys, from here just simply select the state, and after that it will redirect you to another page. And from here, as you can see, you will be able to manage how your business collects over here. So from here, you can set up the tax rate that customers will be charged when they order from this location. So you can add a percentage on the products, on the gift card, and also on the shipping and delivery. And also you can go for the advanced mode, which you will have here a more detailed way. So you can just simply add a rate over here, and you can have a rate name. So when you add a rate, you should be able to see here the breakdown of your tax rate. And from here, just simply provide the rate name. And now guys, make sure to click on save to save the necessary changes. And that's simply about it. Down below, you should be able to see as well the tax settings. You will have here an option of how would you like to collect the tax. It can be added on the checkout, or it is already included on the prices. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.